Hey guys, I'm Joel and welcome to my shop. We're here finally. After so much time of me looking for a shop, I was able to find something. So what we have here is a 1,200 square foot location that I'm gonna be sharing with my guy Omar. So he's been in my videos before. He's not here right now. You guys will be introduced to him shortly, but this is where we're gonna be working in now. Kind of a very big change for me. It's so echoey in here. It sounds so bad now that I'm actually talking. But there's so much room to play here. Obviously the Jeep and the plow are the landlords. That is gonna be removed shortly here, but there's so much room. Like I was just standing here, I'm just standing in every corner of the shop, just seeing what could be done. And I'm just like, damn, you could literally fit a car just parked right here. And this could be the easy service bay, jack stands, jack. You could work on a car right here easily. Toolbox right here, workbench right here. Obviously the big elephant in the room. He left the lift here. He said, as long as I can use it once every few months, then you guys can use it. I was like, that's an amazing deal. So we're obviously gonna take that opportunity to do that because it's perfectly good. The only thing that is kind of concerning is this little hump right there. Really tall for low cars. So I don't know how comfortable that's gonna be, but pieces of wood, I think, under each tire will go nicely right there. The lift goes, and we didn't do that. It touches the ceiling though, so we're gonna be very careful to not bring it all the way to the tippity top. But I don't even know, I'm so scatterbrained right now, like so much is happening. We're gonna be taking it from the door right here to the right. We're gonna be demolishing all this area, so this is gonna be more shop space. I've never had a shop before, so if you guys that have had a shop have any experience, tell me please in the comments below. Tell me what you think is very useful. Like if I could go back and do it again, I would definitely do this. Please let me know all that stuff because I really am interested in all that. And this would be like a really good corner of like a fabricator corner, welder, workbench right here, all that stuff. So I feel like we could have 2 lifts here. I don't know if that's a little ambitious, but we'll see once we open up the space. But like there's so much room everywhere. All this stuff that's in here right now is my guy Omar's. He moved out of his little garage, so we're now just keeping it all in here while we take care of this wall situation. So you can see in here, we're gonna need to take all this down to open that up. And I don't wanna move any of my stuff in until we do that because I don't know. I thought it was gonna be messy work, but it looks like this is all plywood. So I think this is gonna be a lot smoother than I was expecting. It's all plywood. I think with just a few pry bars, could just pull the whole wall off and then, sawzall, cut the wood off. Who knows? Once we get there, I'm just talking, entertaining ideas, I think the coolest thing is this table. Look at this. This thing is so like, it's so legendary. Look at this. Such good shelves. This is such a good table. Like this is where I'm gonna be rebuilding my M52. I'm already seeing it in my mind. This is my guy Omar's M52. But this is exactly what it'll be. Like this is like such a clean, sterile area. Sterile from dirt is what I'm talking about. I can just keep it all clean back here and I don't have to ever worry about contaminating stuff. I could put like all my valves and stuff. It's always so concerning where I leave them because if they get mixed up and stuff, this table is perfect for that. Here we got the bathroom, little shelf action, little countertop action. Look at that. And then lastly, the area on top of the office. So I was always saying that there's a lot of stuff that you can just throw above an office and it makes such good use of space. Like all these wheels, all these tires, door panels, seats, hoods, all the stuff that's really big and obnoxious. I think if we made an easy way to get from down here up to here with like a staircase along this wall right here, it would be very good to store stuff up here. This is the type of reinforcement that's above it, so like I think that could support a pretty good amount of weight. And once we have that up there, you get the same office space on top, so there's like so much storage. But I think this is gonna be a good opportunity for me as well because I do wanna do YouTube more frequently. I wanna upload more frequently. I wanna get more videos out. And this is gonna help do that dramatically. I'm gonna be able to work on cars more efficiently. I'm gonna be able to just set a camera angle right here and work on the car right there, which this wasn't possible in my garage. I'm actually gonna throw some clips in right now and show you guys. I recorded these as I was working because I knew that I would eventually get a shop, so Let's go see these. My mom has all the food chilling there in the garage, and I'm just trying to change the rear e-brakes. And this is what it looks like. Completely destroyed with tools everywhere. And I'm just here crowded on the little chair, pushed up against this rack, working right here, trying to record it with the camera right here. So I need to get a shot down here. I'm gonna have to move all this out of the way and adjust the camera so that hopefully now I can move the light so that you guys can actually see. Put it in an angle that it'll look good on camera, and then that should look good on camera. So behind the scenes, working around those conditions was very difficult. Setting up camera angles, it was just forever. So now I can actually work a little bit more efficiently. I can get videos out a little faster because I do want to start pushing my knowledge and start pushing my limits. I want to start going fast. I want to see how fast I can go and just try and have some fun. Now this space is actually going to allow me to pursue those things. I can actually have more than just 2 cars. I can get another project, which I'm excited. I'm super excited for that. And oh yeah, I forgot. Damn it, I forgot. I'm about to hit 50,000 subscribers. What? This is, you can tell that, like, I don't know, it's just so mind-blowing to me that I'm at 50,000 almost. I've always said that when I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna work on merch. So I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm 500 away, but I'm gonna hit it regardless. But from now on, I'm starting my merch journey. So the audio in here is so AIDS. My God, Ryan. Thank you, my guy. This is big. I said though, I'm gonna start making merch, so stay tuned. I'm gonna start making merch. I appreciate you guys. This audio, I just watched that video back, is so AIDS in here. Oh yeah, it's so much better in here. I'm so sorry. I can't thank you guys enough for all the support. Honestly, the last 2 videos of the E30 blowing up, granted, it was kind of a shitty situation, but like, it happens. It's a part of the game. So we're just gonna have to fix it and get back on the road as quickly as possible. I also want to start uploading more frequently, just doing the stuff that I'm doing, because I need to start making money now because I'm paying rent at this shop. I want to start buying good deals on Facebook Marketplace, parting cars out, just doing the stuff, doing shop work. Obviously, with all the projects still going on, and still want to make a lot of DoorDash videos, but obviously my car's not really there. But also, I do want to upload my usual content along with some shop content as well, because I feel like it never hurts to have multiple videos on multiple different subjects. So it's like, if some people love the shop content, like me renovating, destroying this wall, doing all that stuff, gotta have multiple eggs in different baskets. I don't want to just do one thing for the rest of my YouTube channel. I definitely want to start incorporating all the things that interest me. Like, yo, I have a lot of hobbies, so maybe one day we can start introducing some into the channel, but slowly but surely, you know, these things come naturally. I'm still gonna be making the videos that I find entertaining, and I hope you guys are here to continue watching that, because it's what I like doing. This space is, I don't know, it's crazy how I was literally gonna take my E30 apart the day after my birthday. And I said that my birthday was my break day. And then the day after my birthday, this location showed up, and I called them, I'm like, I wanna come see it right now. And we were the first ones to come see it, and we signed off on it right away. So it's crazy how I was gonna take the E30 apart, and once you start taking it apart, it's kind of doesn't make sense to move and then finish after the move. Just finish it and then, but like, we got the shop the day after I turned 23. That's crazy. That's like, life is like, here you go, here's everything you wanted for your 23rd birthday. So it's crazy. And I'm about to hit 50,000 subscribers. Oh my God, that's crazy. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to bring you guys along on my journey, because this is all I've wanted to do for so long. So I hope you guys are here to watch that. I just wanted to get this video out real quick because it's been a while since I've uploaded because of this. So we're just waiting on setting the logistics up behind the scenes. But thank you guys so much for watching. Next video, we're gonna get right into taking this wall down, but I want to upload this to you guys. So like I said, I want to start uploading more. I appreciate you guys so much. Follow me on Instagram right here at 830joel to stay up to date with everything I'm doing. And yeah, I hope you guys are excited as me because this is some big news right here.